What's up, internet marketer? It's Ike Paz, and I'm going to explain to you how I accidentally stumbled upon one of the best things for my internet marketing niche and for my other niches, and that is no face videos. Now, it's not just screen capturing and recording over with your voice. That's not it just by itself. You got to do something else. You got to first explain exactly in the beginning of the video what you're going to teach. Now, I do this with what's called Google Slides, 100% free. I have a link to it down below. With Google Slides, I can present the information that I'm going to go over throughout the page, and then I explain. First I give the first title, the main title, then I explain what this does not require. And it's really important to get rid of all the objections people have in their mind when you're about to teach something. So if I was about to teach like how to get ripped in 6 months, right? And people are gonna think, oh, I might have to use weights, but I have maybe my method of exercises without weights, right? So maybe I'm teaching calisthenics. The point of the matter is you want to give a clear title, the clear benefit of what you're going to teach within the first few seconds of the video, and then put without the things they don't need. Okay. After that, you want to encourage them to like and subscribe. Okay, and encourage them, very important, to watch the video all the way through. Okay. Now you do that because YouTube cares how long people stay on your video. The longer they stay, the more they reward you with free traffic. Really important metric is audience retention. Okay. Now, throughout the video, you can just screen capture the video, or what I do is have a little cartoon. You can see them in the bottom here. Little cartoon that actually my wife drew of me. I think she was making fun of me. Whatever the case is, I've been using this cartoon ever since. What you could do is either go to Pixabay, go to cartoons. Type in cartoons. Human cartoon, and then or person cartoon, and then click on color and choose transparent. Okay, and then choose illustration. Okay, this will show you all of the cartoons they already have there for you that you can use right from the get-go. Very useful little function on Pixabay. Or you can go to Fiverr and get a cartoon made for $5, and you can use that as your avatar for your videos. Anyways, this is a very powerful method. I know it's a very short video, but what I'm giving you now is extremely useful. Please use it, apply it, let me know what you think, and like always, take care and be good. Okay, bye-bye. This is Ike Paz saying bye-bye. Talk to you later.